Hello and welcome to Anna's Scrap Corner. Today's project is another hostess gift. It's this little stationery set, and this is my very own design. I came up with this myself, and now I'm going to share this with you. And it has this ribbon closure, and if we open, I'm going to show you the inside. Inside we have sheets of paper and matching envelopes. So let me show you how to make this project. So first of all, you need a piece of cardstock, and this measures 9 3/8 by 13 3/8, so it's quite big. And I'm also using this pattern paper. This is from the Old World stack from Die Cuts with a View. And we're going to start off by scoring the cardstock, and we're going to score it at 6.5. And then turn the paper and score at 6.5 from the side. And there we are. And now we're going to make a score line going this way, but since paper is more than 13 inches and my paper trimmer only goes to 12, I need to score this by hand. So I'm going to measure my score line, and we're going to score at 1 3/4. Mark. And then I get out my really long ruler and my bone folder, line up the ruler, now let's fold on all those score lines. And now we're going to cut away a piece, and that will be this piece here. We scored at 6.5 here, and at 6.5 over here, and then at 1 3/4. And this part here that goes from the edge up to that 1 3/4 score line, we're going to cut this piece away. There we are. And now we're going to round off excuse me, we're going to round off these 4 corners here using a corner rounder. Now I've cut my pattern paper at 6 1/4 by 7.5, and this will fit nicely on the front. And here I also have some ribbon, it's actually lace, and this is about 12 inches, and I'm going to adhere this ribbon underneath the pattern paper, and I will do the same thing on the back, and the ribbon will be the closure for the folder. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I've added some double-sided tape on the back. Just going to peel off the backing. And I'm going to place my ribbon a couple of inches in from the edge. Oops. Something like that. And adhere. And there we are. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the back. And I have these papers that will go in the folder, and I've kept these at 5 3/4 by 7. And I'm going to decorate this just a bit using this little stamp. This is from Stampin' Up! And the Refuge and Strength set. Some chocolate chip ink, scallop circle punch, and the 1 3/8 quarter circle punch, and that same pattern paper that I used for the front of the folder, and some cardstock, and this is also from Stampin' Up! I can't remember the name, but anyway, so going to stamp this image, and I will take the circle punch and I'll punch out that image, and then we get the scallop circle punch and punch out a scallop circle from the pattern paper. And I'm going to ink the edges just a bit. There we are. And adhere that. And then I'm going to take one of the papers and add that circle to one of the corners. And here we have the finished project. I've added some embellishments to the front, and inside we have the paper and matching envelopes, and I've made a belly band for the envelopes, matching one, and the ribbon closure here. So I hope you like this project, and I hope to see you next time here at Anna's Scrap Corner.